Hello, Devin here with Integrity Roofing and Painting. We're in beautiful Monument, Colorado, doing a roof install. Today we're installing the Owens Corning Flex shingle. I just want to talk briefly why we chose this shingle for this particular situation. As I had said, we are in Monument, Colorado. That puts us in the mountains. It is wintertime in Colorado as well at this current time. Fortunately, in Colorado we have enough sunny days to do winter installs. Now, with that in mind, we always choose the product which best fits for your particular situation. And what we have in mind is in Colorado we have heavy winters, heavy snow, high wind situations, so we want to install a shingle to fit your needs. Now, what I like in particular about Owens Corning when we're doing winter installs is the Nail technology strip that they have here. Now, most manufacturers just have two chalk lines for the crew to aim at, and there's nothing really of significance when they're hitting their nails here. Owens Corning engineered the Nail technology, which is a woven composite, to give greater holding power in the nails. And that's important to you as a homeowner because when these shingles are taking their time, as all shingles will do in the winter, to have their heat strip activated by the sun, this will hold it in the meantime. Also, in the long run, after the heat strips have solidified, the Nail technology will hold it during high wind scenarios like we get here in Monument. Now, this particular shingle, the homeowner had opted to upgrade to a Class 4 impact-resistant shingle, better against hail resistance. As you can see here, these are UL 2218 classifications. This UL rating on a shingle will also give you a premium discount on most insurances. Now, what I like about this particular shingle, Owens Corning has another one that's Class 4 with a Nail technology called the True Restoration Storm. However, that shingle, the way that it has received its UL technology is it has an extra fiberglass matting. This shingle, it has been engineered with SBS technology, which is rubberized polymers that they had actually originally engineered to try to find something during cold weather, and I found out that it's really good about bouncing hail back. Now, what that does for you as a homeowner and the differences between those two Class 4s and why we recommend SBS technology is, let's say down the road you try to sell your house. Of course, you have a home inspector who comes and inspects the property. Colorado is the hail capital almost of the country, and so they're always checking for hail. Now, when they see the home inspectors who aren't trained as roofers see the fractures on the first layer of shingles on the storm shingles with extra fiberglass, they say you need to replace your roof. The insurance comes out with their engineers and says, nope, the underlying fiberglass matting has not been compromised, and thus we're not paying for it. So you're left in an awkward position and a point where everything's moving quickly. That's why I do the SBS technology.
We're not just gonna